guys, welcome to another one of my tutorials. So I just wanted to give you a few quick notes with this cake. So I will link in the comments the recipe for the chocolate cake. The only small change is that I used Bailey's coffee pods so that I could infuse that delicious chocolate cake with some Bailey's coffee flavor. And you will notice that I am using a fork. Yes, I am forking my cake. The reason I'm forking my cake is I'm wanting to infuse that cooked chocolate cake with some delicious Hershey's caramel sauce. You gotta try that. Now, the last point is the berries. Make sure that you adhere your berries to the cake with some melted chocolate, otherwise they'll fall off. Happy decorating. Thanks, guys.